Hi, I'm Geyang, and this is my Something Awesome project for FIT1045. I built a student score management system in C++ using Specialkit. The program includes many functions, such as secure login, data entry with validation, editing and deleting records, ranking, report generation, file saving and loading, and data visualization. In this video, I will focus on three key parts that best shows what I've learned and how I've grown: the security system, file storage, and the data visualization. Now let's move to the first part, the security system. I will run the program and show how the login works. Yeah. My current password is H0123. If I type the wrong password three times, the system will remind me and log for 30 seconds. Yeah, yeah, you can see it says logged for 30 seconds. This prevents brute force attacks. After I enter the correct password, the program logs me in. The password is not stored as a plain text. It's stored as a hashed record inside a document named admin parse. Yeah, yeah. You can see it's not the original password. It's stored as a hash format. That file only contains encrypted data, not the real password. I learned about this part from C++.com, where I studied hash function and from some examples on Stack Overflow. Before this project, I never thought much about security, but now I understand why a real system needs hashing and logout. It makes me clear about how to protect data security. Yeah, AG1. Yeah. Then we successfully go into the system. Now let's go to the second part, file storage. I already have a data file called scores CSV. Here, here's the data, the original data I created. You can see there's three students here. Yeah, I can use option number 5 in my program to read that file. Yeah, read. You can see loaded 3 records, and if I print build auto ranking, it's a student that from the scores CSV file. I learned how to use offstring and ifstring from W3 schools in the section C++ file. I used to only think about getting output on screen, but now I see how important file storage is for real projects. It taught me to organize data properly and keep my program reliable. The third part is data visualization. After I loaded the student data, I can directly run the visualization function, the aids. Yeah. It shows two charts, a bar chart for the average score of Chinese, Math, and English, and a histogram showing the total score distribution. Here you can see how the scores are separated and how each subject performs on average. I learned this part from a Specialkit graphics documentation, especially about drawing shapes and refreshing the screen. Before I added this part, I only saw numbers printed in text. Now I realize how visual can make a program more friendly and interesting to use. Through this project, I learned how to connect different modules into one complete system, combining security, validation, file handling, and visualization. I use online resources like C++.com, W Schools, and Specialkit to study new concepts and solve problems by myself. I also use ChatGPT to help me understand my classroom topics more deeply, like how CSV files reading works, how password hashing is stored, and how to draw charts in Spreadsheet. This project helped me move from just writing code to think like a real software developer, to make my program not only work, but also to be secure, reliable, and meaningful. That's why I believe that this project is more than just an HD achievement. Well, thank you for listening.